Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to print from Google Drive. So that part is actually really easy. You just need to head over to any part or any file that you want to print. You can print a document, a picture, or anything that you want. So those are the types that you can actually print. In this, I will print the picture. I have in here this particular picture. Now in order to print this, you can click on this print icon right here. Once you have clicked on that, this should be able to open a print dialog based on this. Alternatively, you can also print a particular Google Docs or a document or Word document. In this case, let's head over and print this and click on this icon again. Then from in there, it should be able to open in here this dialog right there. Now in here, click on this print icon again. Then this will open in here this. What we can do is we can head over and then choose what kind of printer we're going to use. So if you have any available printer, you can just choose that as your destination. Then click on this print option right here in order to print it. So that's how you print from Google Drive. Hope we helped.